In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make different columns for all groups on monday.com. We'll walk through a simple example using tasks and sub-items so you can customize how information is organized across your board. Even though the steps are short, I'll add context and tips along the way so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters and how you can use it in your own workflow. First, start by opening monday.com and selecting the project or board where you want to work. This is your main workspace, where you see all your groups and items. Make sure you're on the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects, because any changes you make will apply only to the board you've opened. Once the board is open, take a moment to scan the groups and make sure you're in the right one for the task you want to adjust. Next, find the task where you want to create different details or structure using sub-items. This might be a main task, like a feature, a deliverable, or a milestone. When you've found it, move your mouse over that task's row and right-click directly on the task. Right-clicking will open a context menu with several options related to that specific item. This menu is really handy because it lets you quickly add structure without hunting through the top toolbar. From this right-click menu, look for the option that says Add Sub-Item, and then click on it. As soon as you do, monday.com will create a new sub-item underneath the main task. Think of sub-items as smaller steps or pieces that belong to that one task. Each sub-item can have its own columns such as status, owner, due date, or any custom column you add. Now, here's how this connects to having different columns for your groups. Sub-items allow you to create a more detailed structure inside a task without cluttering your main board with too many columns. You can tailor the columns of your sub-items to show exactly what you need for that kind of work, and keep your main item columns more high level. Once you've added one sub-item, you can keep adding more and customize their columns as needed, giving each group or task a layout that fits the way your team actually works. And that's the basic process. Select your project, right-click on the task and click Add Sub-Item to start building out different structures and column sets within your monday.com board.